Garden gloves come in many styles and designs. There's the cheaper ones that are usually dipped in latex and generally don't last very long. And some are really just bulky industrial gloves that have been repackaged for gardeners. But what the discerning gardener really needs from a pair of garden gloves is comfort, a snug fit for maximum dexterity, and of course durability. And this is where gold leaf gloves come in. They're made in the UK from the highest quality leather, and they're top of the range. Some say they are the best that you can get. Now, one thing I know from using them for decades is that they allow you to really feel what you're doing. I've had these dry touch gloves for 15 years, as you can see, and the snug fit combined with very flexible, high quality leather stretches around the hand like a second skin. It allows you to feel very precisely what you're doing, which of course is very important. There are 4 different styles of gold leaf glove, and these here are tough touch. They are a superb quality and a lovely snug fit with the extra protection for the forearms, this sort of gauntlet style. Now that's really useful when you're pruning spiky plants like roses and citrus and brambles, and of course it also stops debris getting down inside the glove, which of course can get very uncomfortable after a while. Now they've also been treated to repel water and therefore not end up getting stiff. They remain soft and supple for decades. And of course you can just add a little bit of dubbing to them now and again, which is what I do, to just help keep them at their very best. And then there's dry touch. These are pretty much the same as tough touch, but they're just a little bit shorter. And as you can see, they're lined inside. Now that will make for quite a snug fit to start off with, but that's intentional because they're designed to stretch in time, moulding to the shape of your hand, a very unique shape. And that's what gives it its unique sensitivity and comfort. That's what's made these gloves the first choice for gardeners around the world for decades. And then there's also soft touch gloves. Now these are a combination of fabulously soft deerskin hide combined with elasticated lycra on the back for super flexibility. See? They also have a Velcro fastener around the wrist to help keep debris out, and basically these provide the ultimate in close fit with stretchability and of course being incredibly tough as well. And finally there's winter touch. Now these are relatively new to Australia and especially good for those who have to put up with cold and wet winters. Now winter touch are even more robustly made whilst remaining very, very flexible, but most importantly they have a waterproof and super warm extra lining, which does make them a little bit more bulky, but they're still very easy to wear for long periods of time. You can work all day in these and they'll keep you warm, dry, clean and fully protected. Gold leaf gloves are so good, they've been endorsed by the Royal Horticultural Society in the UK, and you really can't say any better than that. Now, the Gardeners Online product test drive verdict: quality, fabulous; usability, superb; and value, well, look, they're not cheap, but they'll last you a lifetime, and I reckon that makes superb value. Pick some up from the Gardeners Online shop today.